Alright, still February 2010. Second blizzard to come in. This is just inside our doorway, looking out. You can see the snow sticking to the door. This is probably the fourth time that it's been shoveled today. Brandon's out here working on it. You can see this is our backyard. Oh, patio area. This was clear yesterday. This had all been shoveled from the last storm. Little pathway, and now it's probably about 15 inches in there. This storm's different because it's actually sticking to everything. Let's see if you can see how bad this is. How's it going, Brandon? Little mountains. Here, I'm gonna squeeze past you. Sorry. Still coming down. Wind is really bad. This is our car, buried again. And see if I can not fall in the snow. Okay, it's up over my knees. See the wind blowing. Icy, icy cold. Yeah, they're calling this Snowmageddon and Snowpocalypse. I think that's actually kind of fitting. Oh, I don't think I can stay out here much longer. My hands are freezing. Brr. Yeah, that's it. I gotta go warm up. Brandon, wave to the camera. Have anything you want to add?
Huh?
Do you have anything you want to add?
We're in trouble.
Look at the wall of snow behind you. Holy cow. That's our, like 6-foot fence and snow. 6-foot fence, snow. That's a lot of snow. All right, Brandon, say bye.
You know,